In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to permanently delete your Facebook account. To get started, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu button located at the bottom left corner. Next, proceed to tap on the gear icon situated at the top right corner. Now, navigate to the top right corner again and tap on the search icon. Search for delete and select personal details. Within the personal details section, tap on account ownership and control. Then, choose the option for deactivation or deletion. From there, select your Facebook account and proceed to choose delete account. Afterward, click on continue and toggle the necessary option. Then tap on continue again. Scroll down to find the continue button. Once more, and enter your password before tapping continue. One final time. Once you've made your decision, tap on delete account. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.